Franklin India Prima Fund. Why mid-cap companies should be considered to be a part of every portfolio? Because they have the potential to become large caps of tomorrow, help in portfolio diversification, provide exposure to emerging businesses. These funds aim to generate higher returns over longer time frames versus large cap funds for a commensurate level of risk. They tend to outperform large cap funds in a bull market but may also fall more than large cap funds in a bear market. They are suitable for mature long-term investors who have experienced equity market volatility in the past and have a slightly higher risk appetite. Let's understand a little more about Franklin India Prima Fund. This is an open-ended equity fund that focuses on investing predominantly in mid-cap companies which tend to exhibit higher growth rates than well-established large-sized companies. The fund aims to identify companies at an early stage of the business life cycle as they have a greater potential for growth. The fund has a track record of over 25 years and has consistently declared a dividend every year for the last 20 years. Ideal investment horizon. Since the Franklin India Prima Fund is an equity fund, we recommend an investment horizon of 5 years or more. Equity funds tend to display volatility over shorter time periods, but when one invests for longer periods of time, that volatility factor tends to get negated. Every investment you make must ideally be linked to a financial goal, and this goal could be of varied durations depending upon your investment needs. Since this fund is an equity fund and is ideally suited for an investment horizon of greater than 5 years, the fund is well placed as an option to consider while planning for your long-term financial goals such as higher education, planning for your child's marriage, building a retirement corpus, or even if you are seeking long-term wealth creation. Who should invest in this fund? The fund is well suited for investors with a moderately high risk profile and who prefer to invest in avenues that offer a potential to deliver high capital appreciation over time, but with relatively higher volatility in the short to medium term. Investing in this product could be a good alternative for someone looking to directly invest in mid-cap companies. Let's take a look at the tax benefits. Liquidity. You can redeem your investments in full or in part on any business day. The redemption amount is normally dispatched within 10 working days from the date of redemption. You could either receive this amount as direct credit into your registered bank account or as a physical check which you can deposit into your bank account. Let's get to know some fund facts of the Franklin India Prima Fund. For more information, please feel free to contact your mutual fund distributor or registered mutual fund advisor or log on to www.franklintempletonindia.com. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.